Hi everyone, a warm welcome to today's webinar where we will be presenting the alterations made to our new and improved e-commerce platform. We are so happy to have you all here. My name is Beata Rosenberg and I'm the Global Digital Marketing Manager here at ASSA ABLOY Global Solutions. My expertise is mainly in digital marketing strategy and I've been the project lead for the new e-store development along with Joanna Jintoft.
Thank you, Beata. My name is Johanna Jintoft and I'm the Global E-commerce Manager here at ASSA ABLOY Global Solutions. And my expertise is marketing and e-commerce. I've been working in ASSA ABLOY for almost 4 years now, and that is alongside with Francesca.
Right, Joanna, it has been a while. Hi everyone, my name is Francesca Frigerio and I am the Global Director of e-business and digital marketing for ASSA ABLOY Global Solution. I am responsible for leading the digital transformation strategy for the division with the final goal of improving the customer experience. Today we're going to walk you through the process behind this project and what was driving the shift for us. There are two main reasons why we have decided to focus more on e-business. First of all, being technology. We are moving from the information age, when the World Wide Web was introduced back 25 years ago, into the experienced age, driven by mobile connectivity, IoT, social media, and mobile devices. So we are moving from making the information available to everyone into creating an experience and an emotional connection with our audience. Why? Because we are becoming saturated by information. We are becoming more and more selective regarding how and what we receive. And we want to see ad hoc content based on our preferences. Second reason being the customer's behavior is changing. According to the research, 40% of the corporate buyer spend more than 50% of their budget online. We also have to consider that the buyers are now personal shoppers, so they do expect the same Amazon-like experience also when they are at work. They do expect to see their installed base, price and availability, and they do expect 24-hour support. So all in all, these trends have opened the door to a new golden age of technology, enabling us to come up with a digital strategy for the next 3 to 5 years, which includes a new website and a new e-commerce platform, which is what we are going to talk about today together with Beata and Joanna.
So as Francesca just mentioned, our goal is really about putting the customer experience first, and online presence has become increasingly important in order for us to serve our customers. And for us to admit that there was room for improvement to meet the new demands for a more seamless shopping experience, and that our old e-store was just not really fit for purpose was our first step. And there was really, what we concluded was that there was a need for a distinctive design change and to apply a fresh perspective to the overall online user experience in order for us to simply to meet our customers' demands. So as a B2B company, we are not as advanced digitally as we would like to be. We do monitor our customer experience with our Net Promoter Score program. And what that means is that we ask questions to our customers and we analyze those answers and then we convert that feedback into actions. And our existing platform simply wasn't future-proof enough. So what we did was we combined our diverse capabilities and we used the experience of those who knew our customers the best and our business, and then we put ourselves in the shoes of an e-store visitor. And by interviewing customers that are using the current e-store, we were able to map the customer journey and complement the missing gaps in the e-store today. And now to show you the results of that research, Joanna will do a demonstration.
So I will demonstrate the new ASSA ABLOY Global Solutions e-store, and we have gone through quite some transformation where we have improved the overall user experience on the site. And that is grounded in a genuine interest in our customers' input and feedback. So let's get started.
So welcome to the e-store. Before you log in, you can browse through our product catalog, but no prices will be shown and you will not be able to check out. So if you don't have an account yet, you can register on our online form. But if you have an account, just punch your username and password into the login field. When you are logged in, you can see your personalized page. But let's go back to the homepage first. On the homepage, you will be able to see our best sellers or your latest purchases that you can easily add to cart, or browse through our product categories, or read more about our latest updates. On the homepage, you will also find information about opening hours, customer service contact, and if you have any question about delivery, your account, or payment methods, you can visit our FAQ section. When we mapped the customer journey, we found that the customer didn't really find what they were looking for. So we wanted to improve the navigation on the site. In the top navigation bar, you can find the quick order functionality for fast checkout by entering the article number or product name. You can also find your account and your liked favorites. Or you can also use the search function. The search function have preference filters, and when you type the product name, the drop-down will give you suggestions, so you will find your product faster. You can also go to the menu in the top left corner, where you can choose the category from the list. We also reviewed and modified the categories on the eStore to better match the categories we have on the website today, to be more aligned throughout all of our channels. So click on one category and go to the category page, where we have included more important data, filters, and reduced unnecessary configuration options. If you need more information, just click on the item name to find out more information about the product, such as description, specifications, and documents, if available. Many of our products come with different variants to choose from, like color, door handling, dimensions, and other options. Once your items are in the cart, you can hit the cart button, where you can see the total cost of your cart, the quantity, and discount if available. Then you need to choose your shipping address, shipping method, and lastly choose your payment method. And add your promo code here, and the price will change accordingly. Then you will receive the order confirmation email. Our intention is to improve the eStore, and there will be additional changes made along the way. Thank you so much for listening, and I hope you enjoy watching the demo.
Thank you, Joanna, for the demonstration, and thank you all for attending today. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to get in touch with us, and we hope that you enjoy using the new and improved eStore. Bye for now.